This video didn't find you by accident, not by the algorithm, not by luck. It reached you because the one who knows what lies beneath your silence wanted it to. Sometimes, Allah sends a reminder that cuts through the noise like lightning, not to hurt you, but to wake you, before you lose yourself completely. This is that reminder. This moment is your lifeline, and after today, you won't need another warning like this again. Deep down, you already know. Something has been slowly slipping away from you. A prayer you keep pushing back, a bad habit you've stopped fighting, a voice inside you that used to cry, but now has grown quiet. Allah sees it all, not to shame you, but to save you. Because the most dangerous thing isn't sin itself, it's the numbness that follows it. It's when you stop caring, when you stop feeling guilty, when your heart becomes comfortable in the dark. But here's the truth they don't tell you. That discomfort you feel right now, that heaviness in your chest as you watch this, that's not punishment. That's love. That's Allah pulling you back before you drift too far. Shaitan doesn't need you to commit huge sins. He just needs you to delay, later, tomorrow, when I'm better. But your soul is ready now. Your heart is ready now. Your life needs that first small step now. You don't need to be perfect. Allah never asked for that. He asked for a single step in His direction so He could run toward you. One honest astaghfirullah from a tired heart. One tear shed in private. One moment where you say, I'm tired of running. Let me tell you something powerful. Allah has forgiven people who sinned more than you, who cried less than you, who prayed less than you. Your return is not too late. Your dua is not lost. Your brokenness is not a barrier. It's your invitation. From this moment forward, let something shift. Let your mornings begin with gratitude, not dread. Let your steps be light with purpose, not heavy with regret. Let the world be loud, but let your soul be louder. This video found you once, only once. Let it shake you. Let it break what needs to break. Then let it become the memory of the day you finally turned back. May this be the reminder you never need again. May it rewrite your direction. May it be the moment your heart finally whispers, not in fear, but in hope. I'm coming back, Ya Rab. And from that moment, everything changes. Because when you choose Allah sincerely, He rearranges your whole world to welcome you home.